YouTube, what's going on, man? It is your boy Truth. This is KICKnology, and I appreciate you guys tuning in for another video. Today is the highly anticipated Yeezy 350 Beluga drop, man. 2016 was when this shoe originally dropped. Missed out on it then. Absolutely had to get my hands on it some way, somehow right now. You know what I heard? There's a lot of pairs out there. If you do your footwork, you're gonna do this. You know, I heard all the same things. And you know what? A lot of people did not hit on this sneaker though, man. Today is December 18th. It is the day before my daughter's birthday. Happy birthday, baby girl, cupcake, little girl, going to big girl. You feel what I'm saying? Man, they grow so fast, bro. But today, I'm gonna be doing a review and unboxing, not on the Belugas. Nah, bruh. Nah, hold on. Let me tell y'all. So, I hit on the Belugas. I hit on them. But because they're a Christmas present, I can't get them to Christmas, bruh. I can't get them into Christmas. I can't even look at them. So I'm gonna do another Yeezy unboxing, man. As you guys can see right here, man, I am going to do another Yeezy unboxing. So you guys stay tuned. Hey, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If this is your first time tapping into my channel, I appreciate you guys deciding to stop through. It means a lot to your boy, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, get me in the algorithm, man. Get my video out to more viewers. I would greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing of this Yeezy, bro. Let's do it.
No synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got crew, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.
We're gonna start with the box like we always do, but before we do that, man, I need each and every one of you guys to view this video. Do your boy a favor. In the comment section down below, go ahead and do happy birthday baby girl, man. Go ahead and do happy birthday baby girl, and also her YouTube link will be in my description section. Do me a favor, follow baby girl on YouTube, bruh. She trying to be like daddy, you feel what I'm saying? So make sure y'all go ahead and follow her on YouTube. That would be a great birthday present for her. All right, so starting with this box, as you guys can see here, this is a Yeezy slide, man. Y'all see that right there? Slide. Let's go ahead and go into this label. We have Yeezy slide size 12. The color on this thing is pure, man. So nothing special about the box. Y'all seen one slide box, you seen it there. This is a pull-out box, as you guys can see here. All the slides, this just is sitting in there. So there go your tag right there for those people that want to authenticate and do all that other stuff. You know what I'm saying? They go the back of it. You feel what I'm saying? And then bam, you feel me? Here they go right here. The Adidas Yeezy slide in the pure colorway, man. This is one of the slides that I actually wanted. I didn't want like one of the loud colors because I feel like this is something that you can rock a lot. You know what I'm saying? The other ones you kind of got to throw a fit on with them, and I just wanted something that I can lounge around in. The resale for these slides is stupid crazy. This is from the restock that happened, that dropped with the Orca, however you say it, the Orchard ones or whatever slides that dropped. And yeah, this is the pure colorway. So absolutely nothing different about this one than the other ones, you know what I'm saying? You got your standard slide. In my opinion, as far as sizing, I do think you need to go a size up. But because my left foot bigger than my right foot, I just stuck with a 12 because it's one of confusing, man. I got some weird feet, you know what I'm saying? Here go the bottom of these things. A lot of people say these slides are not worth the 60, let alone the 200 plus that they're going for on resale. But hey, to each its own. As you guys can see in there, they got a Yeezy tag right there. You have the very limited brand, and you have the logo right here. And then yeah, there you go, man. The Debo slides, the Debo slides from Friday. You feel what I'm saying? So that's the left one, and then here is the right one. Bing pong boom, nothing crazy. Yeah, man. So y'all let me know down in the comment section. 60 bucks. Was able to cop. Resale is doing pretty good. Y'all let me know if y'all were able to cop them. Do you own a pair of slides? Very comfortable slide with or without socks. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera back around and finish out this video. Again, y'all let me know, do y'all own any of these slides, and which one is your favorite colorway? You feel what I'm saying? What is your favorite Yeezy slide colorway? Let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to wish my baby girl happy birthday and follow her YouTube right now, man. Hey, I appreciate you guys. Y'all already know the saying, rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man, and remember, the shoes we talk about, this slide right here, they're just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. Congratulations to everybody who hit on the belugas today. My review will be coming on Christmas. I guess that'll be my Christmas review. And also anybody that hit on the Craft Jordan ones, I'm gonna be having a review up for those pretty soon. You guys be safe out there as we prepare for this Christmas holiday coming up. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
No synthetic, if they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We